Hey everyone, welcome back to 4+3 Toy Journey. Today we're diving into something pretty awesome. The Blokees Classic Class Transformers 1 High Guard Soundwave. Let's start with a quick look at the box before we jump into the build. So here's the box. Classic Class's signature style as always. The beautiful cover art combined with the holographic effect really makes the whole box shine and stand out. It's hard not to love it. All right, let's get this baby open. The instructions are straightforward, no crazy complicated steps, just the unique Blokees-style brick assembly. The color separation is nice and clean, which always makes building more fun. Here's the sprue, Soundwave's classic blues, whites, and grays. Starting off with the head assembly, this part is pretty straightforward. I like how the details on the face really capture Soundwave's classic look. Now onto the right arm. The pieces snap together nicely, and you can see the mechanical details starting to come to life. It's always satisfying to snap those pieces off cleanly. Assembly is pretty intuitive, and the joints feel solid.
Shockwave builds in silent halls, no emotions, only loss. Starscream falls, he always will, but loyalty is power still. We are the dark, we are the storm.
Now the left arm, basically the same as the right.
Cybertron to distant suns, loyal, fierce, and never runs. We kneel to none.
And here are both arms fully assembled, looking sharp and ready for action.
This is war, this is our song. Loyal to the Decepticons.
Now let's move on to the crotch area. It's a small but crucial piece that holds the legs and torso together. The fit is tight, which means stability, something you want for good posing later on. I like how the design keeps everything compact but solid, classic Blokees engineering right here. Here's a neat feature of the classic series. The chest has a light-up component. Just tap it lightly with your finger, and both the chest and the eyes light up together. Super fun, and really adds that cool factor to the build. Now, popping the head back on to show off the glowing visor effect. Check out how that light really brings Soundwave's optics to life. Next up, the iconic shoulder cannon, classic Soundwave weaponry. There's a little cassette inside the chest. I'm not even sure if I should call it a cassette. If it could transform, which one of Soundwave's kids would it be? Oh, and right here, I messed up the shoulder cannon direction. I accidentally put the back end facing forward, but once it's all in place, it still looks super cool. Then there's the clear chest panel with a Decepticon logo already printed on it. This is definitely Decepticon Soundwave now, no longer High Guard Soundwave. When I first saw the Transformers 1 trailer, I wasn't totally sold on the designs. I've just always had a thing for more intricate designs, like Transformers Prime or IDW. There's something really striking about that style. But once the movie came out, I started to really like how clean and simple everything looked. And every character has these ridiculously long legs, especially. One of the highlights here is the huge ankle articulation, which allows the foot to firmly plant on the ground for great stability. The knee joint can bend over 90 degrees, which opens up a lot of dynamic posing possibilities. Right foot is basically the same, so I'm speeding through that part. Quick snap and done. Here's a look at the full-length legs assembled, sleek, articulated, and ready for action. Okay, final assembly time. One little downside though, this Soundwave doesn't come with his signature laser gun. That's a bit of a shame, even though in the movie we mostly just see him using his shoulder cannon and those laser waves from his legs. But hey, no biggie. Blokees Classic Class Soundwave is still an awesome figure overall. Soundwave, fully assembled, looks like he just stepped off the screen. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and assembly journey. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 4+3 Toy Journey for more awesome toy content. Let me know in the comments what you think of this figure and what you want to see next on the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!